Hello, good morning, my dear students. Come again for our new lesson. English is based on our schedule today. Today, Miss Martha will teach you about describing characters on our page 66. Please look at your books. Page 66, describing characters. What are the functions of describing characters? We can describe people or things, and we use adjective to describe people or things characters. Okay, let's see the other page. Okay, this is the example. He never tells a lie. Look at the sentence number 1. He never tells a lie. What is the characters of the boy from the sentence? The characters of the boy is Hannes. Why? Because the boy never tells a lie. Next, number 2. She isn't scared of animal. So what is the character of the girl? From the sentence number 2, we can conclude that the character of the girl is brave. Okay. That is for our describing characters. Describing characters on page 66. Okay. Next, we are going to review our last lesson about conjunctions. Conjunctions. We use conjunctions to join two sentences or phrase to make one sentence. Page 67. Look at your book, page 67, conjunctions. On page 67, there are 4 conjunctions that we are going to study now. The first is because, second is so, but, and although. We use because to give a reason. We use so to give a result, and we use but and although to join two different ideas or to say something that is surprising. Okay, Miss Martha give you one example. Although and but. Although and but to join a different ideas. Look at the example. I have read blah blah blah. I have read the book. Sentence number 1. I cannot remember the story. If we see this sentence, there are 2 sentences that combined become one sentence. And then, how to make a conjunction here? Just see sentence number 1. Look at the explanation. Sentence number 1 and sentence number 2 has a different ideas, which in sentence 1 says, I have read the book. Actually, if we read the book, we must know the content of the book. But in sentence number 2 says, I cannot remember the story. Can you see the sentence number 2 contrast with the ideas in sentence number 1? The people say, I cannot remember the story, but the people read the book. It means there is a different ideas between sentence number 1 and sentence number 2. So, what is the conjunction we use? I had said that although and but is used to join a different ideas. So, the answer is although. Although I have read the book, I cannot remember the story. Although I have read the book, I cannot remember the story. That is the answer here. Okay? After you read the book page 66 until page 67, and then after you see this materials that Miss Martha has given to you. Please do exercise page 66 number 3 until number 6 and page 67 number 2 until number 4, and do on your textbook as your exercise. Thank you. Miss Martha hope we will meet soon. Bye.